Today we will begin creating our hidden images. So the first thing you want to do is to select a stencil that you want to hide in your drawing and figure out what direction you want your paper to go in. So do you want it to be vertical or do you want it to be horizontal? I chose a wolf and a circle that I'm going to use as the moon. And the first thing you'll do is take your pencil and carefully trace around your stencils after you position them on your paper. You want to hold your stencil with one hand or have a partner help you hold it down while you are tracing, and carefully trace around all the parts of your stencil. If it moves while you're tracing, that's okay. Just line it up again and continue with your tracing. So carefully, you're going to trace it with pencil first. Okay, so I've got the wolf on there, and then I'll trace the moon. So just starting with pencil first. So if you make a mistake, you can erase it. All right, now that I have my shapes traced on there, now I want to add some different lines and shapes to start camouflaging my image. So I would suggest adding probably about 10 lines or shapes. You can have a wavy line, you could have straight lines, you can add other types of shapes to it. You can make up your own shapes. It's up to you. But we're drawing through your image, which I know is might feel kind of tough, but that's going to help camouflage your artwork later when we go to add color. Okay, let me add a few more in here. And what we're doing when we're adding these different lines and shapes is we're dividing our paper into different sections. And we're going to be coloring those sections different colors. Okay. Once you have your lines and shapes added into camouflage, then you can outline it if you would like to. You could use Sharpie, you could use colored pencil, you could use oil pastels, but make sure that you can see the lines on your paper. So I might go through here and outline everything before I start coloring. So you want to carefully outline. And then once you've outlined everything, all your pencil lines, you'll be ready to start coloring. And when we start coloring, we have a choice of all different materials to use. You want to choose at least 3 different colors that you're going to work with. Okay, so I'm going to outline my drawing. I'll finish outlining. And then in the next video, I will show you how to add color.